In an aerospace industry where, precision tolerances are so important, meeting engineering requirements are a must-have, we know, and Makino has been proven in that front, that that's going to meet our needs 100% of the time. I'm Sean Purcell. I'm the Executive Vice President and General Manager here at MAX Aerostructures in Wichita, Kansas. MAX was formed in 2016 with kind of an idea of being an industry leader in machine components and complex assemblies. We've grown tremendously over the last 4.5 years and have a great vision for continuing that going forward. It's an industry that has obviously been around for a long time, and while MAX would be considered new to the industry from a name standpoint, it certainly isn't new from an experience standpoint. We have a very seasoned team that's been in the industry for a long time, and certainly when we started and we started to think about the kind of capabilities we wanted to have, and those were Makino equipment items. And so it started with our MAG1 cell. The MAG1 was an initial purchase, a first machine that we really wanted to step into because we knew the capabilities exist there that met a lot of the needs and checked a lot of the boxes.
I helped set up the MAG1 cell, which is here behind me. Once we brought the cells online, you're getting a lot more traffic with the vehicle moving back and forth. You get multiple pallets in process, whereas a standalone machine, you've only got one pallet in the machine at any given time. Where you get that cell, that vehicle is shuffling pallets back and forth. You get a lot higher productivity, a lot higher utilization. We've got a really high level of precision and accuracy, very repeatable, very high quality machines. They seem to last a little bit longer between needing maintenance. When you do need that maintenance, they've got a really good customer support, really good service techs, really awesome guys to work with.
So our Makino MAG3 cell is now one of our feature pieces of equipment here at MAX. It was our most recent purchase from Makino, and it really has differentiated us in the industry, going from a supplier that produces kind of a consistent size part to now a capability that far exceeds that. And we're running complex monolithic structures on that MAG3 palletized system. The fact that we have pallets in place and automation there allows us to maximize our runtime, maximize our lights out approach, so that when operators leave for the night, product is continuing to run.
So MAG3's, their work envelope is, it fits the aircraft industry very well. The high horsepower allows us to remove the material as quick as we can, and extremely reliable machines. We have 24 pallets, they're loaded up all the time, and when we leave at night, when we're coming in the weekend, they're always running. There's several different part numbers running all sequentially, all at one time. So the pallet system handles all that. All we have to do is just load material and just keep the machine going. We love big parts. We love hard metal. All that stuff is what we're great at. That's why we love it.
When you establish yourself with that kind of capability, customers take notice. And when you can go from machining a smaller size part to now large 5-axis complex aluminum parts, it's a differentiation within the industry, and something that we're very excited to have, and we look forward to adding more machines to that system because we've already had it laid out to do so. As MAX continues to grow, Makino will grow along with us.